In this video, I'll show you how to create a class composite that has the faculty and administration along the top of each page. First, we need to make sure that the index is set up correctly. So we'll go to the index, and you should have a column called Role and have the administration members set up correctly, and then have the faculty members set up correctly. So for example, if I select this and I go to Role, I'll see that this person is set up as a faculty member. From this point, we can begin setting up our master template. So we'll go to the editor, and in the layout section, we'll create our main composite frame that'll hold the students. And now we'll create another composite frame that we'll put over here in the left side. And we'll just use copy paste to create a third composite frame that we'll put over here on the right side. Now we can set up the query for our student composite frame. So we'll go over here and select grade, and we'll select IntelliFlow. So that will create a single composite for each grade. Then we'll select the query for the administration staff members. So that we'll go over here into Role, we'll select Administration, and we'll select All. So there are our two administration staff members. And over here, we'll do the same thing, Role, Faculty, and All. There are our three faculty members. So at this point, if I generate a composite set, you will see one composite page for each grade, where the top will have the administration and the faculty members, and underneath the students. Now, of course, if we look at this in more detail, we can see that there's some alignment issues, so we can fix that up right now. So let's go back to our layout, which is of course the master template, and let's set up alignments. So let's go here into grid alignment, and the horizontal alignment here should be left. And for this one, the horizontal alignment should be right. And then we'll use the grid settings auto spacing to space out the students. So now everything aligns nicely, and if I generate the composite set, you'll see a nice looking class composite. And that concludes this tutorial.